Hey guys! So as many of you know, this episode or these episodes are from last year. This is almost exactly a year ago, and I just wanted to say that this episode is going to be a lot about Millie. She is growing, she is doing great, she is a true boat child, and here we are going on a delivery and we're bringing Millie on it, and she also has a lot of learning and a lot of new expressions and a lot of new words, and everything is sort of coming out in this episode. So if you're not a kid person, kids on boats, like, don't bother commenting on like, I don't care about kids on boats, then just don't watch this one. Either way, it's a little bit of spearfishing. It is some fun times, but our Bahamas season for 2023 is here, coming to an end. So stay tuned and be prepared for some real cuteness. What did you do? Oh my God. How are we gonna wash this off? How are we gonna get this off you?
My hand?
Yeah, it doesn't help.
Oh, my hand?
I was editing and I thought she was doing fine. She was messing with something, and oh my God, how did I not see that? I hope you didn't draw on anything else. What
I do.
Did you draw?
Yeah?
Yeah, on yourself.
Fish?
Look at this. Look in your belly button.
Huh?
Let me see your lips.
Clean?
Honey.
Clean?
Oh,
Clean?
I don't know if that's possible. We're gonna try though.
Clean?
Yeah, we're gonna try to clean.
Clean and...
I've actually heard that hand sanitizer removes permanent marker from whiteboard. So I'm thinking that's where I'm going to go. I don't have real baby wipes, otherwise you know that's my go-to for everything. They clean up anything other than baby butt. Let's try. Mommy's going to go get something, okay? The baby too?
Yeah?
Okay, honey. Let's see, I'm going to get something to wash it off, okay?
Okay. Hey, a minute, Mommy. Mommy, what's your eye?
We'll try on here, okay? Oh, dear God.
Don't do this, do this.
Yeah, why did you do it?
Huh?
Why did you do it?
Huh?
Seems to actually work.
Oh, what? Clean hand.
Yeah, let's clean your hands. Oh my God, this is gonna take all day. Let's try the other one. This is a gel.
No, I like it.
You have to. Look at you.
Owie.
Yeah,
Ow.
does it hurt?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna also try nail polish remover. Okay?
Oh, wash baby.
It's pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see if that works. By far the best one. Click the description below and subscribe, because I'm not going to be able to post that much anyway, so I need some support to be able to keep myself motivated. Thank you. Also, any comments on what helps on markers, on babies, and other plastic babies. Thank you. Alright. Let me see you. Let me see your foot. Okay. We all done? You looking
Okay.
good? Let me see your hands.
This one.
This one too? Oh yeah. Gotta wash that one, okay? Alright. Well, good morning. Subscribe and join us with the world at our cue. our Bahamas escapades were coming to an end, and we braced ourselves for another goodbye. But first...
Bagger. We were just doing box tequila.
I feel like we got this one. Box tequila? Did you bring cups?
Just, no. We have it like, we're doing it like we won the Super Bowl.
I thought I measured. Maybe I did. Thought I had extra though. Seriously.
That's pretty good calculation, babe.
That is the best calculation ever, except this doesn't go to the front. I can actually tuck it in here. And actually just jam it in place.
Wow, that worked. Let's see how long it stays on.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put some stitches though, like somewhere. But yeah, that's pretty good. What are you filming now?
Mom.
Ta-da!
Yeah, I'm gonna test out some spear poles. Do some live testing.
Look at this, not me.
You're way better looking.
Look at your hair.
Does it look wild? I was told I look like a daffodil.
I do.
By looking here today. It's because I had this on like this. I gotta shut up. Can I get a taxi?
That's sunflower. This is charged. You got no excuse.
Therese gets mad at me for, babysitting. And
Babysitting is called parenting.
might be true. But I just babysitted and look, she's out like a light for 2 to 3 hours. So I go spearing and she wakes up.
Can't believe I got him a brand new spear pole and he already broke it.
Did I tell you how to fish? I definitely saw a couple groupers. Some good size ones, like 10, 12 pounders. So, it'll be good. Not bad for just hopping for 5 minutes.
No.
This is the first time we are sailing this boat
For fun.
alone
For fun.
for fun. Now really we're having a head sail out, but we are sailing. And that feels good. Millie, don't
4,
fall
6, and
down.
10 knots of breeze.
Oh, see?
Yeah, I mean, this
Millie, or Cody actually cleaned the bottom today.
Mommy.
So I guess that also helped a little. On the way here, we couldn't even motor faster than 5 knots.
me falling.
Are you falling? Can you close this?
Yeah.
This is a moment we're gonna remember.
Now, what?
This is it.
This is it.
This year had been different. Instead of our usual whirlwind of sailing around, we opted for dinghy expeditions and land adventures with friends in Hopetown. With the season rapidly winding down, we figured it was high time for some serious chillaxing. So while it sounds a tad odd, this being our first sail alone on board our new boat, we had always had company before. But hey, even though we were closing in on our departure, we had a few more sails and loads of fun still on the agenda.
Go out